How to send money on Skrill. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can send money on Skrill. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to send money on Skrill, all you have to do is first of all log into skrill.com and then make sure that you're under the dashboard page. So basically, once you're under the dashboard page, over here you'll find the option called transfer. Now, whom do you want to send the money to? So whether you want to transfer money to someone who already has a Skrill account, and if they don't have Skrill account, they'll send a link to register, or whether you want to actually make an international bank transfer, such as send money from your bank or card to a bank account abroad and no transfer fee and great exchange rates, of course, or whether you want to request a money. So if you want to send to another Skriller, just go ahead and then click on Skrill to Skrill over here, and then make sure to enter the email address of the Skriller that you want to send the money to, and then you can enter the amount and you can just send it to them. After that, you can come back, or if you want to send it to another bank account, then you can just select money transfer. In this case, you can select from which country, in which USD or currency you want to send, and then you can also select to which country they want to receive it, and then after that, deliver to bank account and your debit card over here, debit card or credit card, whatever you want to enter in this case, and then just choose the option called continue. Once you click on continue, you just have to select send to whom. You can select send to someone else, and then you can enter their first name, their last name, their nickname, their bank account number of India or whichever country. You can just click on edit country, and then you can just enter the IFSC, which is Indian Financial System code. This depends from the country you're sending the money to. Then just click on continue, follow the on-screen instructions, and then you should be able to send money without any hassles. That's all it takes to send money on Skrill. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.